Like the first thing, what is average volume? What is average volume on daily basis? And what is, average 3 month volume? For example, a stock is having a 3 month average volume 25 lakh, डेली बेसिस पे एवरेज 25 लाख शेयर्स ट्रेड होते हैं. इफ ऑन डेली बेसिस the volume, stock market is open till 6:30, 6.5 hour. If the stock volume is increasing more than 25 lakh, we need to understand something is going on. So you must remember average volume for your stock and daily volume. Whenever it increase from the average volume, then you must be get some alert. Second, what is the average delivery percentage? Do you understand what is delivery percentage? कितना डिलीवरी जाता है स्टॉक में? टोटल नंबर ऑफ ट्रेड 25 लाख है, बट कितना लोग घर लेके जाता है स्टॉक? इट माइट बी, टेक इट इनटू परसेंटेज, because numeric value is not easy to understand. Take it on percentage. 25 लाख का होता है ट्रेडिंग, एंड डिलीवरी जा रहा है अप्रोक्सीमेट 12% or 13% or 15%. You can, I will tell you how you can check this list with using the NSE website. Now, what is beta? We need to understand just beta. On daily basis, what is open interest? Increasing or decreasing? Increasing or decreasing? Right? Now another thing, what is trend in the stock? Trend, daily basis, hourly basis, and 15 minutes. Six, which is most active call and put? Why I am saying this? Most active call is equal to resistance, most active put is equal to support level. एक स्टॉक का करके दिखाते हैं, देन यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि नेक्स्ट कैसे करना. Okay, and the seventh thing, PCR value of stock. नियर मंथ एक्सपायरी का PCR लेना है, near month. You understand what is the PCR value? And the last one is the technical pattern, technical indicators. And
Sir, if the stock is not in F&O, then what is the procedure?
then I hope so we need to change that stock. because
have the open interest in that.
future, because
Yeah.
OI is giving very good confirmation. We will do one stock first, then we will check the others. So these 8 factors we need to understand on daily basis. We need to check on daily basis. So tell me first which stock we need to understand. We will check all the detail about that stock. Any shares from any of you, we will do that exercise. You can understand, you can write down these 8 factors before trading. You can copy from here. Okay, tell me. कौन से स्टॉक का करना है, कोई भी नाम बताइए.
Yeah, myself.
First of all, you need to open the NSE website.
Go with our, or maybe
Go to nseindia.com. Okay,
Other
Aura Pharma. Fine. Go to nseindia.com. This is NSE new website. Even old website was very good. Go to the old website. I need to check where it is same option in new website. Go to the product, go to the equity, click here, go to the historical data. Now there is security wise price and volume search. Put the stock symbol.
Aro.
This is Aura Pharma. Now, which option we are having right now? Security only volume data, only delivery data, volume and delivery position data. Click on the third. Past 1 month. Click to get data. What we are getting here? Last 1 month. It means from 1 September to 30 September. 3 महीने तक का डाटा आई होप सो हम यहाँ पे ले सकते हैं. आई होप सो इस it's 2 year also, but no need to go for that. Maximum if you want to go for the more clarification, you can go up to 3 months. Not more than 3 months required. So in 1 month, you will get exactly information about the stock. You can take into the Excel file. Take it in Excel file. What you will get here is date, closing, opening, high price, low price, close price, average trading price, total trading quantity. It means this is volume. Total number of trade, we no need. Total number of delivery shares, we no need. We need to check only percentage in delivery. What you can do here? We add a column on upper side. We are taking a sum. Using the sum formula, this is the total delivery, and we need to divide it by 20 because total working day was
20.
is showing 22. It's fine. Take 22. How it is possible 22? Okay, it's taking from 1st September. '22. Fine. So is equal to this divided by 22. Might be you know the better formula rather than me. Sorry, I'm not good in Excel. I'm not so strong. I know only few formulas. So what it's showing? One person can write it down. Srinivas sir, you may try to make a sheet. Your favorite stock.
Yes, sir.
Delivery percentage is
90.
19.30. You can take it 20. Okay. This is total number of
Yeah,
quantity.
20%. Yes.
Again, we will use this formula. Sum starting from here. And this value also divided by 22. 43 lakh shares, right?
Yes, sir.
43 lakh volume in a day. Okay. Need only these two information for every stock. Whatever you are trading. Trading volume is 43 lakh. Delivery percentage 19%. If on daily basis, I don't know what is happening into the stock and we don't know anything about the stock, but we know if the average volume is increasing, then stock is in positivity. If the average volume is decreasing, stock might be come into the problem. Again, if the delivery percentage is going high, stock is going to be jump in the market. If the average delivery percentage is decreasing, then it can create a problem for you. Like the stock price was 844, delivery percentage is very low. Which is the
That
highest
means it
delivery
may go down.
percentage?
Yeah. I think 9 is the lowest delivery percentage, sir.
Mine is the lowest.
That means next day we can, I think we can see.
Next day the performance, might become negative, and the same thing
Yeah.
happened. 822 and given the low of 807. So what we
Yes.
can expect in coming time, it can go downside. This is the closing price. Just a little idea about the stock. This is previous closing after 832. Next was 810, 828, 792, 780, 743. So someone who is having idea about the stock, they are not going to take the delivery. Vice versa, opposite side. If the stock delivery percentage is going higher side and the stock price is also going upside, then you try to understand, yes boss, कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है. So we can collect this information from here. Even another easy step, use the investing.com. They can also tell you the 3-month volume, 3-month average volume trading price. I hope so you are having investing in your phone. You can
Yes, sir.
open the investing.com.
Yes, sir. Open.
Okay, put Arvindo Pharma here, Ora Pharma.
Okay.
What is average 3-month volume? 42 lakh. Checking here. Average 3-month volume is 42 lakh. It's calculated already. आप 3 महीने का कैलकुलेट करेंगे इसी प्रोसीजर से. It can take time. Time is money also. It's also required energy. So what you can do, you can take the help of investing, right? इन्वेस्टिंग की आप हेल्प लीजिए एंड बट डिलीवरी परसेंटेज यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट. आपका डिलीवरी परसेंटेज क्या है, क्या होता है? अगर डिलीवरी परसेंटेज ज़्यादा जा रहा है, इट मीन्स डेफिनेटली इट्स गोइंग टू बी रॉकेट इन कमिंग डेज. Everyone who is having knowledge about the stock, they are buying and storing it on their behalf. Another thing,
Sir, where we have to see in investing.com, sir, delivery percentage, 3 months average.
no, we will not get here. We need to calculate. We can use another
Okay.
app. The name is Stock Edge.
Stock Edge. Sir, I have that app, sir. I am a subscriber of that website.
Okay, great.